In this video, I'll be talking about some other products that have huge demand in the international market that you have also overlooked. Many people want to go into export, they only think of commodities. Today, I'll be talking about cassava product, and I'll be showing you a cassava product being loaded into the container for export. And the common one, apart from we have cassava starch, we have cassava flour, we have tapioca. But my interest in this conversation is actually Garri cassava flakes. Dry and flake cassava chips in various textures. This is a major item of export to Europe and America because of the quantum of Africans and other nationals in those countries that are interested in tasting Garri in tasting Garri while they are abroad. Now, so can we check the top importer of value-added cassava products in the world? Who are the top importer of value-added cassava products in the world? United States, 22.9%. Germany. The total demand for cassava products, value-added cassava in the world, total demand is actually about 3.6 billion. 3.6 billion. 3.6 billion. But who is the major buyer? United States. United States is the major buyer of this product. United States is the major buyer of this product. Why is United States the major buyer of this product? Because there's so many national, of course, from different countries in the United States, and being a major buyer of this product. But beyond United States, you have Germany, you have United Kingdom, you have Japan, you have South Korea. If you look at the video being shown on your screen right now, you will notice that the Garri is inside a sack. Now that sack, the Garri is first of all inside a polyethylene bag, nylon bag, then put inside a sack and then sealed. Now, why is this important? Because it's Garri, it can get wet. Water can be an issue for it. To prevent water from getting inside, they have to use the nylon, and at the same time, they have to use the sack. But what I'm going to show you is to let you understand the quantum of demand for this Garri. The fact that the demand for the Garri is growing very fast. And the fact that a lot of Nigerians are moving abroad, Africans are moving abroad, is making the demand for this product to become very huge. From cassava flour to cassava starch to cassava flakes, if you call Garri, to tapioca, there are different types and forms and variants of Garri products, of cassava product you will see being exported. And it's painful that when you look at the largest producer of cassava in the world is Nigeria, but the largest exporter of cassava product in the world is not Nigeria. The largest exporter of cassava product in the world is not Nigeria. Thailand is the largest exporter of cassava product in the world. Despite the fact that Nigeria is a major producer, Nigeria is not exporting as much. So the reason I'm showing you this video is for you to begin to see, and you can see different products being stored in the container. And this should let you understand the fact that as far as export is concerned, it's not only about agro commodity, it's more also about finished goods. And these finished goods vary. If you have been following this video, I've shown you chin-chin, I've shown you plantain, I've shown you broom, and I'll show you a lot of other products. But today, my focus is on Garri. Now, if you are trying to export Garri, what should be your interest in terms of specification? Remember, the color can be white or near white. It can even be yellow, depending on the type. Granular, free from flour or powdery texture. Clean and free from foreign material like dead stone and insect. no sign of mold, no sign of fungal growth, pleasant characteristics aroma of cassava, no off odor or musty smell. Moisture content typically 10 to 14%. High moisture can lead to spoilage during transport. Ash content generally should be between 2 to 3%. High ash content might indicate contamination with foreign material. Fiber content should be about 5%. A minimum percentage of starch content might be specified by some buyer or importing country, often not exceeding 60%. Now, what does that tell you? I've just explained to you the specification. I've just explained to you the specification of Garri as an item of export. Of Garri as an item of export. I will stop here, and I've shown you in this series of video different products that I have exported because I'm a practical exporter. When I come to talk to you here about export, I basically come to show you what I export. And the reason I'm doing that is to let you understand export is practical and it is what we do, and the fact that we can assist you through our export mentoring program to be able to export your product out of Nigeria to different parts of the world. With our mentoring program, we do capacity building, and we work with our client to be able to find buyer, to be able to do their documentation, to be able to ensure the quality is right, and do the shipment into the export market. So if you are thinking of exporting your product abroad, consider our export mentoring and capacity building program called From Export Novice to Export Legend. The detail of how you can reach us will be shown on your screen, and that will help you be able to contact us and get to learn more about the Export Novice to Export Legend program. Thank you very much. See you in the next video, and bye for now.